Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to boost Reels on Instagram. So let's just begin. Alright, so as you can see here that we are already inside our Instagram profile. So to boost a Reel on our Instagram, we have to go inside our Reels. But you can also do this from the default option as well. But we're gonna jump into our Reels icon here. I'm gonna tap on my Reel here. And here I would click on the option of boost Reel. So I'm gonna tap on that, and here it is going to ask you for the goal, and you have to make sure one thing, that your payment method has to be connected. After that you're going to see this option. So now we have to select our goal here. So either you want to increase your profile visit, or you want to go with your website visit if you have any website, or you want the people to message you, or a mix of actions. I'm gonna simply go here with visit your profile. I'm gonna tap on next, and here if you want to add any special requirements, you can add this, but I would go here with suggested audience. I'm gonna tap on next, and here you can select your daily budget based on the budget that you have to boost your reel. Okay, so I'm gonna go here with maybe a different value here. I can run this ad until I pause this, or I can also set the duration. So I'm gonna go here with the first option, and here we have our ad budget and we have our estimated daily reach. I'm gonna tap on next now, and here in the last, what you have to do, if you haven't added the payment method already, you need to add the payment method, and then you would simply tap on boost post, which would actually boost your reel on Instagram. So this is how we can boost reels on Instagram. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.